прошлый раз писал код я, давай в этот раз.
We are live.
Hello.
Okay.
That was very spontaneous, but...
Yeah, we were a little bit late today. Sorry for that. We are both in hotels and...
I'm not sorry.
Sorry, not sorry. Okay, yeah. I'm kind of sorry. I don't like to be late. And we're actually late. It's our record. It's 7 minutes late. We were not late even for 4 minutes, I believe. Even
Record late.
Yeah, top late, high late, high latency. Wow.
We're making a record and we getting a record late record.
Yeah, by the way, does latency have the same root as late? Wow, it just hit me. Yeah, latency.
Stem. It's not a root, it's stem.
It's stem? Okay, stem.
S-T-E-M, yeah.
Yeah. Stems from late.
I guess so. I mean, we can just chat about things instead of...
Yeah.
How is it going with Kotlin world? Tell me about Kotlin.
What do you want to hear about Kotlin?
What's latest and hot tips in latest Kotlin releases?
Yeah, I actually do not want to spoil anything because we have a huge 1.9.20 release upcoming, and hopefully it will come this month. And well, there should be quite a few changes.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it should be very interesting, but I really don't want to spoil anything.
How it works with versioning in Kotlin actually? Is it still like you try to pretend that you have semantic versioning, but actually you don't care, or is it like how common in Java world that people actually care about this stuff?
No, semantic versioning is very popular in the Java world. Kotlin also has semantic versioning, and that's why we will have a second release the next year. And well, we hope that we won't break any backward compatibility, but we can't be really sure because it's a huge rewrite of the compiler. It will be it will be faster, it will be more effective, and hopefully it will support multiple new features, language features, which is important too. So yeah, we kind of hope that it won't break, but just in case, we call it K2, Kotlin 2.0.
K2.
Yeah, I like K2 name. So it's like...
Maybe in a few releases you will get to K9.
K9, yeah.
K9. You have like a dog as a logo or something. Cool.
Yeah,
so it's like major thing, right?
It's not even refactoring. It's the whole rewrite of the compiler, which is a huge work, which took several years.
So in Python world, where I come from, there was a huge problems when there was major version increase from Python 1 to Python 2, from Python 2 to Python 3. And
I don't remember
I think
Python 1 to Python 2.
Well, almost nobody does. But people say that it was even worse than Python 2 to Python 3. But the Python 2 to Python 3 has a PTSD in the community. And I think the community wants to avoid that. And I think that somebody once said that there will never be a Python 4 because of what was going on with that. And I wonder what's your view on that and what you're trying to do with Kotlin.
The view of JetBrains, it's not my view, is we don't want to have this kind of drama. They have it in Python, they have it in Scala, we don't want to repeat it, so we are trying to make
Perl, right, also had this issue. Like Perl 6, Perl 5 was...
Probably, yes. But I'm not that familiar with Perl, to be honest. I am familiar mostly with Python and Scala and some other languages, and Java, of course. And Java doesn't break compatibility at all. Or at least they really try to not break it. That's why you still have constructions, constructs available in 1.1. They still work these days, which is kind of crazy. They had to...
Yeah, I think I actually had a Java update a few days ago with like Java 22 or something.
Yeah, but all these updates all current updates of Java are kind of small. You should not really care. Sometimes they are not that small. For example, they have destructuring declarations, and it's a huge thing for Java, and we still don't have it in Kotlin, for example.
Okay.
Hopefully we'll have it in after K2 again. But yeah, the general idea is we wanna keep the backward compatibility as good as possible. We really care about our clients. We really provide actually all people around with preview builds for you to be able to test your software and so on. But it's hard to guarantee that you do not break anything, anything, because you cannot test anything, and you cannot battle test everything. So yeah, we have.
And I guess the idea will have a few features like convert this code to Kotlin 2 or something like that. Right?
It should. You don't need to convert anything. Your code
okay.
ideally should just continue working.
Nice.
So okay, let's back to our thing. Let's back to streaming. Who streams today?
Yeah, I suggest it's your turn.
Okay, then I will take some time to launch idea.
Yeah, please hide all your notifications and
yeah, I will turn do not disturb mode right now for 1 hour, let's say.
Yeah.
Was it me last time or was it you?
So it was me last time. So
okay, so
I can check if I have anything on my. I think I did a git push in the end, so it should.
Yeah, you can check if you actually did a git push, and I will share my screen meanwhile. Today I will be very slow typer.
Okay. Why is that?
Yeah, because the table is too high for me.
Oh, right. Actually, I have some changes. Let me see. I know it's just restitution was commented out.
Okay.
I don't think we even use it in. Yeah. So.
Okay. If I remember correctly, could you refresh us what we did last time? Because I don't remember.
So we started adding like an end screen of some sort, and we now have a place in the condition, I think, in our.
So look at
we were learning about the scenes and how to change them. And we had a scene that is like winning condition that actually right now activates when the king eats any of the diamonds.
Yep.
But obviously we want to have it on some passing some door or something like that. So I suggest we add like a placeholder door, maybe a rectangle of different color. And then when we go there, we get ideally number of diamonds that we collected in the level. I think it's a reasonable goal.
Okay, yep.
This session.
Well, kinda. I don't remember anything, but let's try anyways. Okay, this time it switches projects. Now I have to make git pull. Oh, you can clearly hear my keyboard, right? That's
no, actually not. I think that the voice installation is quite good. At least I don't. Nice. Maybe our listeners can. But,
listeners, there is one.
You, listener. Okay, hi, listener.
Hi, listener.
Or rather, should say
hi to us. Viewer. Yeah, but we actually don't know if they're a listener or viewer. Okay, let's launch our thing just to test if everything works. Do you share my screen?
Yes, I'm in full control of the presentation. Right, so hopefully when K2 be released, it would compile faster, right?
Yes, it's our belief because the front end is rewritten too.
Can you hint what is the main thing that is changed between the versions? Why it will be faster?
I actually hope that nothing will change for users. Again, we will have.
Then why change it all?
Look, we have huge announcement coming this or next month, and they will be big changes, or let's say interesting things.
Yeah. So you ate a diamond and you got.
Yeah, I got it.
I haven't really seen that you actually ate it, but yeah.
Yeah, I kind of
so
did.
we
Yeah,
can
and-
sort of delay the problem of having the exit by somehow calculating how many diamonds you eat and publishing that.
Well, I have an
But,
idea.
yeah.
We didn't show a single time how do we use our tiled map editor, but probably adding a door should be something very simple. So let's open our asset. So it's maps, arcade, tiled, level 0 TMX. Here is how the tiled map editor looks. And here you can see a small rectangle responsible for our hero. It lays on a hero layer. Now we'll create a new layer called exit, because it's just an easy way. And let's see, do I have such a decoration? Okay, I don't have decoration per se, but I can probably put something like this here. Of course, I don't remember how do I put things. Decoration. Oh, it shouldn't be. I see. It should be an object layer, but I also should put an image on the insert tile. Nice.
Insert tile, okay.
Like this. And also, let's create a rectangle.
Can we change
here.
the color of it somehow?
No, but why do we need it? Why do we want to change it at all?
Why not?
I
I'm just curious how that works. Can you like apply a shade?
No, it's just an image, so I'm not sure. It's just PNG, which I put there.
Okay, yeah.
No, I'm not sure if I can draw here. I can put rectangles there, but they don't have any properties.
Yeah.
I can insert template, polygon, select objects.
Yeah, probably you're right. But can you can you select that object that you just added?
I think I can. Hopefully. Let me.
Suggest.
Whoa. Yeah.
I think it's a okay. So
I'm not sure if I can
template.
So I did a hack and I put I added one more rectangle in there. It's just an empty rectangle. Here is the empty rectangle.
Okay.
It's kind of harder to use, but that's fine.
Okay, so empty rectangle is on the exit level, right?
Yes.
Exit layer. Okay.
So probably we can detect this empty rectangle, and then when we hit it, then we change the scene, right? Okay, nice. So I save the thing. Now, where do we work with objects? In physics system, probably.
Yeah.
So yeah, map layer entities. Now I need. Okay, I feel that I should put it.
Yeah, you want just repeat that with the exit layer, basically.
I actually don't, or do I? I don't know.
Well, your layer would have you're going to use a different layer, right?
Yes.
Yes. So,
but other than that, I need completely. I mean, here I create the wall component. For the exit, it will be different. Okay. Anyways. But
yeah, I mean, let's just like if you actually need to do something, then if you just launch the application right now, you won't see what you added to the tile map, right?
Well, I will see the flag, but I won't see the rectangle, obviously.
But you added it, didn't you add it to a different layer as well? Yeah.
It's a little bit annoying. How do I do? Where did we define it?
That's actually a good question. Somewhere in collision with diamond system.
So it's set screen.
Set screen.
We can look for usages of second screen. It's new instance creation, type parameter. Yeah,
game set screen. Yeah, physics system. Okay.
So we don't need this.
Just
line.
comment it out. Yeah.
Yep.
And if you run it once again,
it should probably not. It should not switch to a different screen. Okay, but Kotlin cannot run for some reason. Come on, for real.
Yeah, so that's what I thought. There is no thing on the right.
Oh, why?
Because you added it to a separate layer.
Yeah, so what? Oh.
You only draw things that are on the layer entities. But in your tile, you specifically added it to... that's why you need it separate. It's in a physics system, I think.
No, wait. We have tiled map here. It's map.
Yes.
Where do we use it? Orthogonal tile map editor without, well,
Render.
no, we somehow have the whole background, right? But we don't draw background in physics system for obvious reasons.
Yeah, but here you added like add rectangle map object and everything. And this is not, you don't do anything with like that, right?
No, I don't, but again, let me show you the thing again.
Did you maybe like you need to?
So I want to see this thing here. There.
Yeah. So which layer is that?
It's exit layer. It's visible. It
Okay.
should be rendered.
Okay. So
okay, we
maybe
can actually we can actually switch to decorations layer and put it there.
No. Actually, no. Wait. I want to figure out why it's the case here.
Okay.
So let's find out what's going on. Like if it's
Okay,
the
let's check.
situation that
If I-
we
if I-
haven't
look,
cached.
So if I disable the exit,
Yeah.
then it disappears, which makes sense.
Yes. Yes.
The same happens to decorations. If I disable them, we have all these flags lost in the middle of the screen. Background, well, disappears obviously too. So it might be the issue that it is entities layer and not visual layer, and I'm trying to use visual thing on an entities layer, and it kind of doesn't make sense. It might be an issue. Do you agree? It's actually a decoration. It shouldn't be on the entities layer.
yes, that's true. It's a decoration technically.
So yeah, it just shouldn't. It just doesn't belong in there. I don't remember how. Like this. Let's try to save it and launch our application again. And it's the simplest way to check my idea. Yeah, it's there. So it was the issue of incorrect usage of layers.
Okay, I see. So we put it to the wrong layer. Now it's on the right one. Okay.
But we still need to work with a rectangle on our layer. Okay, so exit layer, map layer exit, then exit layer, entities, not entities, oh, objects. Lost. No, for each, okay. Come on, seriously? Yeah, I actually need first. As rectangle map object. Then what do? I should create physical body, right? As well as it just.
Well, we would need to. So what we're doing is we have the rectangle, and we want to add some way to detect that we actually reached it.
Yeah.
So it needs to be a physical body that detects collisions.
Then come on. Exit rectangle. Can I rename references?
I'm actually curious about that condition that you used with S and then question mark.
So yeah, it actually, what it does, it checks if something is instance of rectangle map object, and if it doesn't, it returns null. So it's like S without a question mark is unsafe cast.
Okay.
And this is safe cast. It checks instance, and if it is an instance of rectangle map object, then it returns an actual instance. Otherwise, it returns null.
It's just so silly that you have to explicitly check for null as well, instead of like having it as separate. Because null is like what? Separate type,
so
right?
we can rewrite it in the following way. If it is, probably this is the right way.
Okay, yeah, that makes more sense for me.
Yeah, but if you would use it as an actual rectangle map object, like we would call some functions what rectangle map object has. Rectangle. Okay.
Okay, so it's a cast inside. Okay, but why do you need
but
the
wait,
null
no,
check?
no. You're right. We actually didn't need this rectangle. It already works because it's a smart cast. We check if something is instance of something else, and then it's already implicitly cast for us. So you're right. My code was just out.
Okay.
Okay. So we have this rectangle. We do not need a wall component here, but
No.
we need a sensor inside it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We probably need a new component, like exit component. How do we use it?
You try to add a system, another component.
Oh, sorry. You're right. Also, it's very, very basic. Okay. So it's exit component. Oh, wow. It's so smart. I renamed it and it's automatically renamed everywhere. Nice. I didn't expect that.
I actually did, surprisingly.
Well, my expectations are usually not that high. I love our IDEs, but sometimes I'm not sure if they will work correctly. Okay.
Interesting.
What is wrong now? Did I break something? It seems I did. What did I break? Like this? Yeah, now that's fine. Okay, let's check. So, okay, it's not the wall. It's already exit, right? Exit component. Oh, I see. I did the wrong thing. I mixed up the components. Component, exit component. Nice. Do we need anything else? We need to mark the sensor. I don't remember how do we do it. Body.
Well,
body. Come on, I don't.
Well, an
remember.
object is a sensor. I think it cannot move, but it can detect collisions. That's the thing, right?
Yes, and that's what we need. And I can't open my browser. Here it is. Box2D sensor libktx. No, it's not that it cannot move. It can move, but the thing is, you cannot hit it. Its sensor just in the sense that you touch it, but it doesn't physically interact with you. Or maybe it's here. Yeah, in its answer equals true. Nice. Now, okay, is now we need is wall. We have already is wall and is body. How does this work? Is wall work? User data is entity and wall component. Okay, we basically need the same for this exit. Exit. User data is in its entity and exit component. User data is entity. Nice. Now, what do we need now? We kind of need a similar thing. It's one more if. But it will be simpler. How do I write it correctly? It's body A is wall and body B is player on body B is wall and body A. And then we need to call game screen to second screen. Now I want to refactor it a bit. So, come on, really? Okay, I cannot refactor it a bit, at least right now. I don't want to think about it. Let's test. Amazing.
Yeah.
Totally fixed.
Did we screw up the position?
But I didn't.
Wait, what? Why? What actually happened? Why is that happen? What? Why? Wait,
I don't have any idea. I mean, it just launches this way. Okay. Let's put a breakpoint.
We didn't do anything with.
Oh, I see. Which... I know what I did. I checked its wall, but it should be its exit.
Ah.
And I immediately contact the wall, and that's why it's immediately switched. Nice.
Okay. Whew.
Okay. It actually was a funny one. I cannot jump. Why can't?
Well, sometimes you can.
Sometimes I can.
Yeah, I mean the level.
I'll do it. Yep. The game is actually hard.
Now it's not hard. It's bad design.
Okay.
Like,
yeah.
Why do you have that thing on the left that prevents you from jumping on the bottom? Like, it's annoying.
Sorry.
Remember, yeah, that was a very funny sound. There is a shift button that we added for a slower movement.
Oh, true.
It's very subtle.
Nice. Nice.
Existence is pain. Why do we test it on such a hard level?
I don't know. I didn't think it would be that hard. Okay. Let me quickly fix one thing.
Can we add another level, which would be just like small?
Like testing polygon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. We have a request from our amazing listener/viewer that you collapsed the project tree when you edit code, so it would be
So I will
more.
Okay, it didn't work.
Hey!
It was very loud.
Okay, and this thing again. See this thing on the left. What was that? Like, why it disappeared? What's going on?
What disappear? Yeah. Oh, I don't have any idea what is it. Okay. Collapse. It's actually very important. It annoys me a lot. Document. Right.
I have a request. Let's create a testing level that is easier to test. It will have a hero in the center, a wall, and then on one hand side there would be diamonds, and the other hand side would be exit, and that's it. So we can go left to collect diamonds, we can go right to the exit.
There is no object. Do you see that there is no object? There is no rectangle?
I don't, but isn't it an invisible rectangle or not?
No, it's a physical body. It should be there.
Let's stop here, stop looking at code, and create a proper testing level in tiled. And you can showcase how to do it, and because it's a very small
So yeah,
level,
I actually use a different piece of software to create tiled maps. I use LTCK.
Okay.
I'm not sure how to create a new map here. Well, I mean, I kind of know. So I can open this arcade. Can I create current level settings? Can I create a new level? It's layers, entities, and enums.
No, I think you need to create like a
world view. Oh, create a new level. Nice. Create a spot for a new level. What do you mean? Okay, I wanna
sure
create...
it's...
Oh, like this. Oh, like layers are adjacent to each other.
Levels. What?
Okay, I'm fine with it. Okay, now I can edit it quickly. So what we need? Entities.
Background, I guess. You start with the background. No?
Yes, I think we should start with background, but I don't remember anything, which is kind of funny. It cannot be that. Yeah, entities, decorations. No, it's decorations. Background. Yeah, here we go. Outer. Can I do it like this? I cannot. Nice. But this way it works. Okay. This way it doesn't. Why?
Aha. Okay.
You meant something like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we need to do now, we don't really care about decorations. Entities.
Put one window, so it's not so ugly. Just to show its decorations.
Okay. We need to create a new layer then.
Oh.
Entities. It should not be hard. Wait, it already has all the layers. Interesting. Okay, then on the...
Yeah, I guess if you made it as a new level, then it sort of expects to copy.
Yeah, like we have the same. We should have the same thing. Yeah, it kind of makes sense. I don't remember if I put my hero here or somewhere else. Let's move it. Come on, delete hero. Nice. And now I will put my hero here. entities. Yeah, now I want to draw my rectangles. Actually, don't need them. Like here, 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 and here. It should be more or less enough. I'm not sure what will be the name of the tile map though. Oh, it's actually a level 2 TMX. So now it's, what's the name?
Can you also increase the font a bit, because it's a bit...
I think I can. Give me a second.
Yeah.
I don't remember how do I change it.
Editor settings.
Editor font, let's say it will be 18.
16 will be fine. What? You forgot how to type or what?
It's not me.
Okay.
16.
Okay.
Here we go.
Yeah. And,
okay. But now we need 002 level 1 TMX. It will be out as polygon. Let's open it in the tiled. Now we need to entities. We'll take this. We have to resize all the rectangles. We don't really care about them too much. Now I see that I forgot one of them. Okay, that's fine. I'll just put one more here. Nice. Oh, the LBTK exports to tiled automatically, which I like. Saves a lot of time, but there is one small compatibility issue. These rectangles are not exported properly from LBTK.
I see.
It's not like a deal breaker, but I don't like it. Yep. So we probably have everything. We don't have an exit layer. Let's create it right here. Object layer, it will be exit. We should put a rectangle in it, like this.
Yeah. And I think you need to also place a hero, right? Or
I already have a hero. It's here. It's also rectangle. I mean, okay. It's the easiest way to put things.
Yeah.
I'm not sure that it will work.
Assuming that it should be named. Okay. Yeah. Let's try launching it and seeing if it works. It does.
Okay. It kind of renders. Hero is in its place.
Yeah.
But
you see the thing on the right.
Yes, I do.
Racing.
You mean this one? I don't know where it comes from. I don't have.
And it disappears. Like what? Yeah. What's that?
Okay,
it's very strange.
I have only one idea why it might not work. Because I use first here. Let's call. Let's call for each on it. For each. And then
I think it's more than one, or how come?
Yeah, probably there are multiple objects. I don't know why. I don't have any idea why. We can probably debug it later. Rename reference to it. Let's check it now. Nope.
Have you seen it was two?
Yes.
There was two of those things.
Yes. Okay. Why?
Now both gone. Like what the hell?
Yeah, and I cannot see it in the debug view. By the way, did I show you that you can even further improve the debug view? Where do we have it?
No.
Why? It should be Y. It should be Y. Rendering system, bitmap. It is some kind of Y. Give me a second because I lost Yeah, this one. No, something is wrong.
What?
So my idea was to not draw the whole thing. I mean, we don't need our background when we want to debug things, right?
Yeah.
If we actually need it, vice versa, probably. Yeah, now it still draws background. Oh, I know why. Okay. Camera, clear screen, clear location, HUDs, camera update. No, I don't know why. Camera. Okay. I won't spend my time on it. It's too valuable, obviously. But what I don't understand is when we run here, I don't see our debug square in it. For example, I can see debug rectangle here and here, but one more should be here. So we probably need to debug our code a little bit.
Okay.
Let's put a breakpoint here. Maybe I messed something up with the objects on the layer. Maybe it's not called exit, I don't know. It's definitely called exit. What's wrong? Configuring projects, okay. It is a rectangle map object, so it's kind of fine. Opacity, visible. And
It
now
mean that it's behind the background somehow.
No, first of all,
Okay.
It's a logical object. It's located on its own layer, and the order of layers should not be important, I think. So what is the current definition of body? Oh, TMP, volt, joints, everything is zeros. But rectangle here is 1793. Okay, position it X and it Y. How does Y work on? Okay, simple. So it works for almost all the objects. It works for walls, obviously, because I can run. But for some unknown reason, it doesn't work for exit. How is it possible? Wait, I see. Width and height are zeros. That's the explanation.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess when you use the real object, it has built-in width and height. And here, wait, you are not specifying it somehow.
Yeah,
Wow.
I mean,
width and height. Okay, it's on the left-hand side. You can see width and height equals to 0, 0.
Yes, that's true.
You don't see that any longer.
Yeah, let me recreate it. The whole thing. Now I remember why did I do it in LDTK and not in the tile itself. First of all, LDTK rewrites the whole thing every time.
I also see that.
And I cannot. There is
custom properties maybe with height, or we can just override for in the code.
Okay, I will just recreate it.
Okay.
Give me a second. I will draw it.
Okay, now it has width and height.
Yes, obviously. And now I can move it. Now I can resize it, which kind of resolves what we need. That we need.
So it was there, but it was not detecting it because
it wasn't detecting anything because it was too small. Yeah, now we can clearly see it there.
Okay, should be green. No, no.
It did appear. Okay, it should be something in code now because it disappeared and it means something. Game set screen set. Okay, now we need to put breakpoint here, I think.
I don't think we reach it, or rather, obviously we don't reach it. So
no, it's not obvious at all. To me, it's not obvious because something happened. This square disappeared. If it disappeared, then it means it's
it disappeared because we remove it when user data is one of the. No, wait. Oh, we actually reach it. What?
I'm not sure if we reach it. Wait, I'm not sure. What's wrong? Something is not come. Come on. I already fixed this mistake in an array go.
Well, we don't have. Why it's so slow?
Yeah, Kotlin compilation is sometimes painful. Okay, let's check. Do you see that? Do you see?
Yes, I see that there's something.
And now it's not there anymore. It's somehow.
Yeah.
Oh, I know why. Is it type is static body? Well, it's this thing is not concrete enough. Doesn't operate with concrete things, so.
Okay.
So it checks if something is static body, and body is not wall, and anything is which is not wall is actually not wall. So our exit is also not wall.
Makes sense.
So we just yes, it's actually what's written in the code. So it kind of works correctly.
Computers always do what is. Yeah. Okay. Great. Now we have some time left, and do we actually know how many diamonds we collected?
I don't remember. Let's check.
Yeah, me neither. I think we had some system somewhere that there's increased account.
Yeah, but I'm not sure if it works right now. Yeah, it seems that it doesn't. To remove a diamond, and
yeah, and what's going on with to remove? What's going on with to remove? No. Go to
remove is the GX array of bodies.
And then, yeah.
And then let me check. But if I remember correctly, on every tick
for body into remove.
Yeah, for body into remove.
Game state score. Yes.
Yeah.
So actually have a score.
Yes.
Let's say that we want to have another field that would be like diamonds collected, and increase it by 1.
We can actually put all the diamonds on the map right inside our editor, which is kind of funny.
Yeah, it's probably a good idea if you want to make it.
Yeah, but
static.
We can do one of two things, I believe. We can either add all diamonds to the map in the map editor and try to use.
Yeah, I'll make them randomly. All right, so I want another field in the game state. Let's call it number of diamonds and increase it here by 1. It would be a very simple thing to do. And the other thing that I want on our exit screen is to show that you collected a text saying you collected this many diamonds, and this is how much score you achieved. Here it will be just game state num diamonds plus 1. Diamond numbers. Okay.
So yeah, now we should do something with our second.
Yes.
Second screen. Second screen.
Okay.
Let's make it zeros. Zeros will be black, right?
Yeah, but yeah.
I just want to check that it actually works.
You want to check if it's actually black?
Yes.
It
is. So yeah, what do we do now is we should
somehow showcase how much diamonds we have. We can yes. I now have a different idea. We
How
want
do we
to
do it?
show that well, we just for E in number of diamonds, draw a diamond.
It
No?
will be complex actually.
Okay, yeah. Okay, then we just want to say to have a text here
It should
with
be
the UI font and everything.
Let's do it this way. We have this font. We can for now we can just hack it.
Absolutely.
It's font, and then what did we do with font?
Font, text, font draw.
Font draw.
Font draw, yeah.
Draw.
Adding the batch.
Do we have batch here? I don't even know what
Probably have camera object. Batch, hubs, boots.
Okay, what is batch?
Use.
Oh, so,
Right, batch.
okay. Let's see if we have a batch here.
No, we don't.
I don't even remember whether we get batch. Batch is a
right batch.
Okay, I am fine at this stage. I'm fine with just private val.
Yeah, I'm surprised it's not a part of the KTX screen.
Yeah, because you don't have to use batch, obviously. I mean, it makes sense. You can do all the things without batching, right?
Probably. So why can't we draw text without batching?
I don't know. It's a question to bitmap font, I believe. Probably
just put.
Yeah. Do you remember? Yeah. So number.
Write anything. No. Yeah.
Is.
And that's it. And now let's add numbers and then. Okay.
Let's try it this way. Let's just. Okay, I did.
It doesn't work.
A couple of arguments.
You need a position.
X and Y. 0F.
200, 200.
I'm fine with zeros to try it.
No, I mean it might be wrong.
Yeah, crash.
Woohoo! For each batch, use something like that.
Yeah, it was like that.
And then
it's actually very very interesting observation that I do forget low level stuff when I concentrate on the top level.
0 is bad. Remove, place it 100 100, or like 200 200. Because I think what it do, it picks leftmost corner and then it uses as a bottom level of the drawing, and then you just don't see it. No, okay.
It's
what?
Do you see one very small thing in there? I don't know what is this. What is it? Do we have something like I don't know, font size?
Can you show me how we actually used it before?
How did we use it before? But do you remember that we do not use it?
We had a problem with it. Yes, I remember.
Game state score text 0 0. It was actually 0 0.
Yeah. Yeah, but then it was no. I think it's already when we tried to tweak it, so it's not.
Yes. I mean, but it clearly doesn't work for some reason.
Can you move it to 50-50 instead? Just instead of 200 200, place 50-50.
Sure.
And then run it again.
I can do anything.
Yes, please.
Well, it's sizes of or coordinates of something.
So did it move?
I don't see this white small thing anymore, so probably it did. Can I increase the font size somehow?
Probably.
Helix. Font
color.
size.
Wait.
Color. By the way, color. No. We can set a color.
Yeah, but set it to different. Set the background to different color as well, because it might be drawn in black.
But that's why I changed color of the font to zeros.
Okay.
Which is white.
Yeah. No, wait. Now you draw in black. Now you draw in black with black.
Oi. Should it be what is actually color? It should be 1.
Just
1, 1, 1?
set the background back to green.
Don't remember how.
You have a clear screen line on line 116.
Yes, this part I do remember. So yeah, it's actually once. Okay, I can see something. Well, no, it's the same weird thing which you don't understand. Do you see it right here?
Sort of, yeah.
It's not font. Of course, I can. Let's switch our. By the way, probably I don't need to use alpha at all. No, I can. What is alpha? Oh, okay, I see. Fully transparent.
That. Well, it's an issue with fonts probably somehow. So yeah, let's. This is super weird. I think that we have 2 issues. One of them is that we not sure if the font is not black on black.
Yeah, so I changed. So let's change 0. I'm not sure about the alpha channel. Alpha channel, should it be 1 or 0? Okay, but anyways, 1.
Put 0.5. Just
0.5. Okay.
I think that the map.
I cannot see anything.
I think that maybe the map is too far away as well, or something.
But we don't even have camera. We actually need to understand font Sin to D. I'm not sure if we have time for that.
We need to start understanding things. That's true. Yeah, I think let's finish it here.
I have a sudden idea.
Suspicious.
And you can see number of diamonds.
Wow! What? Wait, what? Wow!
We use some weird font.
Oh right. Yes.
Which is
okay. Just stay with commit and let's finish this.
Okay. But I want my background back to black. Okay, commit. That's a lot of changes. Let's test our AI assistant.
Nobody reads that long commit messages. That's the issue I have with this thing. It's very annoying.
I actually read them, but this one is I don't like it at all. So I will hit no.
Is it possible to tune it to have it smaller context maybe and shorter?
I don't know, but what do you want to say in our commit message? New level.
Exit exists.
With an actual exit. Like this. Right?
Yes.
Right.
Cool.
Okay. We don't have any more time, right?
Yeah, I don't.
Okay. Okay.
Well, it was.
But nothing is committed. Oh, nice.
So the AI was smart enough to write out what was different, but couldn't commit with because it didn't know what. Oh, so stupid. Like this is a problem with AI. This is why we can't have nice things.
Well, we still can have nice things, buy nice things, because we still have work, because AI isn't perfect. So I'm actually grateful to our AI.
I, for one, welcome our AI overlords. Yes.
Okay, you can hide my screen now. Where is it? Nice.
Yeah.
Folks, thank you for being with us. Igor, what are your plans for the next week?
I'm not sure if I'll be able to make it, but I'll try. and I will still be on the road, but I guess we made it fine so far, and I'll try to be the person behind the keyboard next time. And yeah, see you around. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them somewhere where we can read them.
I'm actually still not sure if I will be there, because I'll be on the road to Poland too. But let's try. Or if it won't work, then in 2 weeks we'll hopefully see you folks.
Yeah, I mean, we can always try the pre-recorded thing.
Yeah, if you like the pre-recorded thing, you can write us in comments.
The pre-recorded thing.
Yeah, like
tell
the
your friends about this. Yes. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, folks. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye.